For two.
One and you never ever two.
And if you don't like her, fuck you.
Suck your mother.
Like, even if I don't win, I still win. Yeah. Just being here, the energy, the vibe with my fiance, it's amazing. I mean, what more could I ask for?
Grammy.
Thank you.
To all dancehall artists and reggae artists.
If anybody win that Grammy we associated with the Marley'S, Grammy is a big corruption, and the Marley them were part of the team to nominate people for the Grammy, them are the bigger corruption. So, on the Vybz Kartel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we have Vybz Kartel and Sidem reacting to Beenie Man's mockery of him losing the Grammy Awards. Also, we have Bob Marley's son issuing a "Tuck Your Mother" to every and anyone that has anything to say about his father winning the Grammy. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share.
The nominees are Collie Buddz, Vybz Kartel, Shensia, various artists, The Wailers,
and the Grammy goes to
Bob Marley's son got upset and he ruffled a few feathers, and there was a tug and war back and forth argument on Instagram, but you guys will see that, so but check out the video first.
Cover for the TV track, for the show, and it win the Grammy. And me done do a video previous months ago, about 3 months ago, where me say in a Sidem review podcast, say if anybody win that Grammy we associated with the Marley'S, Grammy is a big corruption, and the Marley them were part of the team to nominate people for the Grammy, them are the bigger corruption. So, on the Vybz Kartel. Does that mean have to say?
So in other words, so Kartel win the Grammy?
Kartel no win the Grammy, and the Bob Marley family win the Grammy. Because basically everything I go back to them. So Bob Marley, let me explain to you people them. Bob Marley kids them are part of the nomination team then. Let me make it more simpler. Them nominate and them choose the nominees to be a part of the Grammy who win the Grammy. So them choose the cover song what was done for the show, Bob Marley show, and then turn on come give the cover song the Grammy, which is plain fuckery. And then Vybz Kartel, them Thief Shensia, and all of the other nominees them. And me don't want to talk. Me don't want to talk.
Right. So you really think about it, which album to get the album of years still, you know? Never forget that the Massacre still, you know? Alright then. The album of Massacre they do the bad still, you know?
Yeah. Them Thief Massacre.
And if you know say, remember say when I think they are locally. Internationally, bro, a regular me I drive on the I drive. You see me in Orlando, I hear Massacre song. I'm reporting I'm on them camera. I say, yo, all the white people them see I listen to the song them.
Yeah, them Thief Massacre.
I listen to the song
them Thief Massacre, yeah.
Really, them man should have really deserve.
Brother,
Grammy still, I'm not gonna lie.
Brother Kartel getting visa for that Grammy, you know, brother. Kartel gonna do well with that Grammy, they come back to Jamaica, you know. Remember say Beenie Man a war king, you know, and no Beenie I gonna say I'm the real king. No Beenie I gonna say, yo, then Thief Kartel.
No, but they never said, alright, even if you ever said that.
Me, Gaza fans. Me know some of me as a Gaza traitor, you know. But me I stand up for Kartel now, them Thief, Gaza, Grammy. And me I tell Grammy, we'll take reggae and dancehall off our list. Because we're not interested no more.
Over on that post, Rohan Marley, that is Bob Marley's son, responded under Nico Fire's video by saying SYM, which is Suck Your Mother. So Nico Fire responded and said Bob wouldn't approve of that cover album winning a Grammy in his name. Total crap. Rohan replied, you know we no take talk from no guy. We talk free like them talk free. Bob's first Grammy, big up. And then it was a whole back and forth between the two of them. Nika Fire responded and said, not what I think is what you guys did. I would feel way better if your son got the Grammy. Big up YG. And a whole lot of back and forth, isn't me? He even said, oh well, which is Rohan, oh well, so much for what you think. Over on another popular social media blogger, his name is Owain O'Neill Allen Media. He posted a video. He was saying that he is frustrated and disgruntled with the Marley family and that they continue to rob dancehall of their reggae and musicians. Check this out.
It feels like the best reggae category is not competitive. It is just a space where these same people, the Marley family, are favored every year, all the time, over everyone else. And this is not the first time we have seen it. As I said, it continues to happen. And another issue I have is how dancehall, despite being one of the most influential music genre in the world, is really recognized properly at the Grammys. The category is still labeled as Best Reggae Album rather than Best Reggae Dancehall Album. You get me? So even though dancehall is dominant and a dominant force on international scene, doesn't get the respect, and this is frustrating. Artists like Vybz, Kartel, Popcorn and Spice alone have revolutionized the sound of the music in the Caribbean and influenced international artists like Drake, Rihanna and even Beyonce, right, and other new artists on the scene. So
Rohan make it a point of his duty and also went over to Owen's page on Instagram and issue another Soke Mara. So Owen responded and said, I respect you and your family. The truth is just the truth. How does the great Bob Marley winning help dancehall reggae music? It's a big step backwards. Ron replied, it's not about helping anything. It's about being the number movie. I think he's supposed to say the number one movie in the world. And yeah, so it's now a deleted post because I went over there and it's no longer there. But that was the back and forth. So I guess Vybz Kartel supporters is the second somebody will get the issue after Scatter. So about for the year, mighty God. Those are not the only people that had an issue with the Grammys. Slick White Line has his 2 cents. He basically said, listen, yes, if I don't see Bob Marley name and I just give up. Nobody put on no clothes and go. Check this out.
To all dancehall artists or reggae artists, me I tell you this from now. You see, next time you see Bob Marley or Bob Marley pitney them or Bob Marley grand pitney them or cousin or anybody could have Bob Marley dog or cat in a nomination for album or song or whatever, me I tell you from now, no waste no good clothes and go Grammys. It don't make no sense. See if you no good clothes, you both ride. No waste no good clothes, don't go get no tailor-made clothes and them sit there and go sit down in them Grammys. Me I tell you from now, it don't make no sense. A waste of time. Waste of time. Bob Marley pitting them always win. Bob Marley always win. In cat in dog, they always win.
Yeah, so as you can see, people are not happy. It's not just about Vybz Kartel. It's just about somebody else winning the Grammy. You see me? But I look at it as if Bob Marley's children are a part of selecting who should win, obviously they might give to their family. I just feel like it's been 40 odd years. Give somebody else. All if I know Kartel, give it to Shantia. Even Spice was nominated and nobody won. I think it was a white group that sang reggae. Then if you don't want to give it to a dancehall artist, give dancehall their own category then it would have make sense. But anyways, last night after Vybz Kartel lost to Bob Marley, you know, Beanie Man saw the results and he was trolling him on Instagram. This is what Vybz Kartel and Sidem had to say about that. Check this out.
Yo, telling us up. See that lady there?
See me?
Love her.
Too much. So much.
Too much.
Too much. No, it's not too much.
It's too much.
It's so much, but it's
I love her so much.
It's good much.
Can you kiss me, baby? One, see them and never two.
One and you never ever two.
And if you don't like her, fuck you.
Suck your mother.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. It's an amazing feeling, you know what I mean? I was just telling her a while ago, like, even if I don't win, I still win. Yeah. Just being here, the energy, the vibe with my fiance, it's amazing.
What could you ask for? It's amazing.
Exactly. I mean, what more could I ask for?
A Grammy.
Thank you.
There you go.
That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.